boy Smooth. It's your boy Smooth. And we back with another video, man.
Do you like when I was talking to your ear like this? Do you like that? Do you like how I was talking into your ear? Yes, we have a POV SRT Charger video tonight rather. And sit back, relax, get your snacks, because it's going to be a lot of this.
Yeah. Man, we is back, boy. We back in Benny. We back on the two. We back on the two. I hope y'all as excited as I am, man. We back. We back. And we in our hometown with it. Hey, man, shout out to the 2-5, man. Hey, we here. Making content, making videos. You see it. You see it. We going crazy. Know y'all hear that? Got a surf right there, baby. We out with it. We out with it. We out with it. For sure. Yeah. Man, I'm gonna go gas up. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna gas up at. That motherfucker right there. I'm gonna see where he going. I'm gonna go the opposite way again. Go the opposite way again. Where that gang at? A quick little video for y'all boys, man. Try to think. Let me think. Gas station. I'm gonna go to the gas station. I'm gonna take y'all to my gas station. Well, one of my gas stations I fuck with. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoying the comeback, man. We coming back and we better than ever. Got some shit playing. I mean, my bad, excuse my French. Got some stuff playing. And yeah, man, we back on this too, man. I'm so excited. Been missing just doing this. I mean, I've been getting my mind right, getting my life right. Like y'all remember when I told y'all I was gonna quit YouTube? Which, false alarm, really didn't quit, you feel me? But just had to get stuff in order, man. You know what I'm saying? Had to just get things in order, get things set up, and now we set up. We set up to the point where we can do this now, and in the future, more lit bangers on the way. You feel me? But yeah, man, just wanted to let y'all bring y'all in on these POVs so y'all can get the experience. I really love doing this stuff to motivate, like, just the people who want these cars and just people from my area, man. I'm really trying to motivate everybody to just like know they can do it too. Everything possible once you put your mind to it, and I'm gonna try to be the first one to show you all this stuff is possible, man. I really try to put on for the city, put on for my guys, man. Let them know everything. Young guys, old guys, everybody, man. This shit possible, bro. Ain't never too late. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all around and shit. You know what I'm saying? Take y'all around my hood. I think. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it. Yeah, I got it. 5 minutes. We're gonna start recording at like 8. I ain't trying to go too crazy, but yeah, I just wanted to I wanted to actually talk on this video. You feel me? And just tell everybody that's watching this video, man, appreciate you. Stay motivated, keep going, and everything that you got in your head, man, all that stuff is true. All them ideas in your head, man, put work behind it. Put some work behind it, man. Put some work behind it, man. Get right, man. Take y'all over there. Put some work behind it, man. Put some work behind it, man. Put some work behind it, man. Hey, this right here used to be a mall, guys. As long as I've been living, nothing has been in this mall. I used to get my hair, actually though, I used to get my hair cut here. So it was some stuff here, but over time it just went to waste. Hey, but one day, this is gonna be crazy. Well, you never know. One day, maybe Smooth will own this mug and we'll get some shit popping here, man. This ain't nothing but money sitting here, man. Money, man. Used to be a JCPenney. I used to go here with my moms all the time, man. Shout out to my Dukes, love you. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all one good, like, I'm gonna drop her down to like 3rd. But yeah, this used to be JCPenney right here, yo. Yeah. It's crazy. I'm gonna get y'all boys right though. I'm gonna drop that bit down to 3rd. We're gonna let that bit scream. Let that bit scream. Hope y'all had a good day though, man. Hope y'all having a good night. I don't know when I'm gonna upload that video, but yeah, prosperous things, man. More life, more everything. 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 I think I'm recording them behind me, but I won't. I ain't stunning you. I ain't stunning you. Trying to find that. It's a bridge. I think we gotta make a turn before the bridge. It's a back road, man. You can go stupid. Let's see her. Yeah, I would hit that bridge right there, but ain't no telling. It might be a copper waiting on me. Oh shit. Woo! That turn was right there. Y'all heard? You heard? Dropped all the way down for y'all boys. feel me? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? And that's wraps, my guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Stay up and keep going. Make sure you remember that.